Hello students, welcome to TeachusMart. Let's continue our journey through direct and inverse proportions. In the last session, we discussed inverse proportion. That is, if x and y are in inverse proportion, then x equals k multiplied by 1 by y. Or xy equals k, where k is the non-zero constant of proportionality. That is, x1 y1 equals x2 y2, or x1 by x2 equals y2 by y1. So today, we are going to see some problems related to inverse proportion. Let's see an example. 35 workers can build a house in 16 days. How many days will 28 workers take to build the same house at the same rate? Given a house is built by 35 workers in 16 days, we have to find the number of days to build the same house by 28 workers. We know, when the number of workers on a job is more, it takes less time to complete it. Or, if the number of workers is less, then it takes more time to complete the work. Here the number of workers is decreased from 35 to 28, so more time should be taken to complete it. Therefore, it is in inverse proportion. We know, by the principle of inverse proportion, x1 y1 equals x2 y2, where y1 and y2 are the corresponding y values of both x1 and x2. Here x1 equals 35, x2 equals 28, and y1 is equal to 16. Then, 35 multiplied by 16 equals 28 multiplied by y2. That is, y2 equals 35 multiplied by 16 whole divided by 28 equals 20. Therefore, 28 workers will build the same house in 20 days. Let's see another example. How many toys can Imran buy at 8 rupees each? If he wants to spend the same amount of money he spent on buying 40 toys at 14 rupees each. Here, we have to find the number of toys Imran can buy at 8 rupees each with the same total amount. It is clear that, when the price of each toy decreased, the number of toys he can buy with the total amount increased. That is, it is in inverse proportion. Then, by the principle of inverse proportion, x1 y1 equals x2 y2. Here, x1 equals 40, y1 equals 14, and y2 equals 8. Then, 40 multiplied by 14 equals x2 multiplied by 8. That is, x2 equals 40 multiplied by 14 whole divided by 8 equals 70. Imran can buy 70 toys at 8 rupees each with the same total amount. Before winding up, let's check how much you understood by doing an activity. For a group of 32 students, the food lasts for 45 days. For how many days will the same food last for 72 students? See you all in the next class with another interesting topic.